Hi everyone, it's Mohyi here to discuss prenuptial agreements and why they might be good for a working girl in New York City. Nowadays, women are generating more assets than men on some occasions. And a lot more marriages have equal partnerships or just partnerships with people that have already accumulated assets in their lifetime, such as properties and businesses. So in a divorce in New York, by default, all assets are considered marital. Now, the caveat is that if a business was owned before the marriage, of course, there is a division of only the increased value in that asset and a consideration of how the other spouse contributed to that increased value. But still, it's by default a marital asset, and discovery is required to prove the value of this business and determine what is a fair and equitable division of the proceeds from essentially a sale of the business, although they don't sell the business. So you can see this can be quite disruptive. And also, furthermore, beyond the equitable distribution issue, the less moneyed spouse might be entitled to maintenance. So if you, as a female, are generating a significantly more income than your male partner, to make it clear pictorially, although this also applies to same-sex couples, then you are going to have to pay your spouse maintenance for a certain amount of time depending on how many years you've been married. And so this all can create a significant financial pressure that could have been avoided by entering a prenuptial agreement. Now, I'm not saying that everyone needs a prenuptial agreement, but I still think everyone could consider a prenuptial agreement. The idea behind the distributive awards that happen in a divorce are because it is understood that it is an economic partnership and each spouse is to contribute to that economic partnership. But in certain situations, what if each spouse doesn't really contribute equally? So therefore, we have a prenuptial agreement to protect people from such situations that might not be entirely fair.